We will guide you through how to change text direction in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the document containing the text you want to change, then allow the canvas and layers to appear completely. Select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left side of the workspace, choosing the text tool that matches the layer you are editing. Click directly on the text to activate its text layer and place the editing cursor inside the text box. Highlight the text if necessary, especially when you want formatting adjustments to apply only to particular words or characters. Go to Type on the top menu to view Photoshop's text-related commands. Hover over Orientation and wait for its submenu to appear. Select Vertical to change the active text from a horizontal layout into a vertical arrangement. Look at the canvas and check the text's new position, paying attention to whether it overlaps other design elements or extends outside the document boundaries. If the text needs to be repositioned, select the Move tool and drag the text layer to a more suitable place, using alignment guides when they appear. Adjust the text size if needed so the vertical wording fits comfortably within the design and remains balanced with surrounding objects. Check the spacing between the characters and use the character panel to adjust tracking, leading, or other spacing controls if the letters appear too close together or too far apart. Read the text from beginning to end and make sure it is still clear, correctly ordered, and easy to understand in its vertical format. When the placement and formatting look right, click outside the text box to confirm the change and leave text editing mode. Finally, save the Photoshop document as a PSD file so the vertical text layer stays editable and all recent layout changes are preserved for future work.